color of a rose so bright. Blue is the sky on a sunny day's light. Yellow is the sun that shines so bold. Green is the grass where children love to play outside cold. Colors, colors all around. Red, blue, yellow, and green are found. Colors, colors, let's learn and play every single day. Orange is the color of a juicy slice. The hue of a royal prince's ice. Pink is the color of flamingo so fine. Brown is the earth where trees and flowers entwine. Colors, colors all around. Red, blue, yellow, and green are found. Colors, colors, let's learn every single day. What color is the sky when it's gray? What color are the flowers in May? Let's find out, let's learn and see. The world is full of colors. Come along is the night with stars up high. White is the snow that falls from the winter sky. Gray is the rock that forms the mountain high. And rainbow colors shine in the sky. Colors, colors all around. Red, blue, yellow, and green are found. Colors, colors, let's learn and play every single day. Now we've learned about colors bright. Let's use them to create and ignite our imagination and creativity too. With colors we can make something new.